Good evening, MW family. After a long time, we are meeting today, and I'm very happy to bring this topic where we are going to discuss about jobs, the free courses, and the company who is offering this have got us some experts from their company. So yes, I hope everybody is staying safe, staying indoors. Yes, that's one thing we often ask from each other. Now, even if we are talking on phone or we are discussing anything with our family member, with our friends, with anyone, if we are talking, the first thing what we ask is, are you staying indoors? Are you safe? And if yes, we say yes, please stay safe. So yes, welcome on Mommy's World for you and me, and super happy to bring something really interesting. And I really hope that you guys can connect with the campaign, with the theme easily. What we are getting for you, we will be having experts today. Also, the person who have done this course will be giving you insights and the experience what they had during their course and the benefit of doing this course. So today we have this uh, which offering courses upgrade your skills. I think I should not be saying a lot about this because the one who is expert in this field should be talking herself, and we should be taking her life. Yes, she's here. Let's welcome Sita Lakshmi. And Sita is here. Today we'll be getting a lot of information about the courses, the level of courses, the criteria, and who all can apply for this. We will be getting all the insights on this. Okay. Sita, it says there is no reply from your side. Okay, another one more time, there is a technical glitch. Himanshi, my voice is not clear. Is it with everyone? My voice is not clear. If anybody can update me on this. Himanshi says my voice is not clear.
Yeah, it's
Hi,
crackling. Hi,
is it
Shalu.
cracking?
It's crackling, yeah.
Just a second.
How about this? Is it okay?
It's better, yes.
I guess the problem with the headphones then.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. MW family. So today we have something really interesting. The topic and the person both. The company is VM Tara, and when these guys shared to me that they are offering free courses and helping mothers to get back on their toes who are looking for job once again after a long break, after a sabbatical. So yes, over to you, Sita. We want to know what is VM Tara and how you are connected to it and what exactly it's doing.
Thank you so much, Shalu. Thanks for this opportunity to be on Mommy's World today. I'm Sita Lakshmi, and I'm working with VMware India Software Private Limited. And as a part of our diversity and inclusive program, we have started the VM Inclusion Tara program, wherein we will be upskilling 15,000 women on the latest digital business technologies and cloud computing technology absolutely free of cost. So this, with a little eligibility criteria, any woman who is on a career break can go ahead and join the program with us.
Okay, so it has only age limit, something, or any barriers? It has like should be a graduate or minimum 12 pass, some sort of criteria.
So,
You basic requirement of education you look for.
yeah, so we don't stop women from any background, but our only criteria is that eligible women who are enrolling for the program shouldn't be on a payroll of any organization for the last 6 months, should be on a career break of minimum 6 months is what we ask. And should be a resident of India, should be a citizen of India, should be eligible to work in India. And there is no upper age limit or there is no upper break limit. So we have had candidates who have taken a break of more than 15 years, successfully completing the program and joining the workforce back again.
Oh, that's nice. So
Yeah.
this means if tell me if somebody is working somewhere in a company and not sure if the company will keep them, because since the pandemic is going on and lots of people, not only the women but yes, men do also have this fear
Yeah.
inside. So is it possible if they leave that job and wants to do this course, do you suggest them, because is there any assurance they'll get this job or how?
Okay, so this program is absolutely upskilling program only because it's of being offered free of cost. And so we don't suggest anybody leave the existing job and then do it. This is for women who have left their jobs for whatever reason. So before we ran or started this program, we did a small survey which revealed that, first 8 years of the career, women after getting married, once they have a child or once they get married, their career takes a back seat. And that was the
Yeah.
very reason why India saw a huge gender diversity gap, where women started leaving and never really came back. It took a lot of courage for women to actually leave their kids behind or their priorities at home behind and join the workforce back again. So keeping all this in mind is why VM Inclusion Tara was started by VMware India back in 2019 January. And this is
Okay.
absolutely for women who are on career break for whatever reason for the last 6 months. So keeping that in mind, we opened it up for graduates as well who completed their graduation. And last year, due to pandemic, many of their offers were turned down. Many of the organizations couldn't go ahead with the offers that were given. So keeping that in mind, we went ahead and opened the program for women who were graduates and couldn't secure a job in the last 6 months as well. So it's for graduates as well. And women from any background can go ahead and join the course if you have the passion and determination to learn something new and start or restart your career in the IT field.
Right. One thing, when you were sharing all the details, keep knocking in my mind that is it a work from home job they'll get, or this would be an official job where they have to move outside, where again the family would be, their
Priority.
point of
Yeah.
the priority, the point, a block where they'll be thinking what to do next.
Okay. So, like I mentioned, Chalu, the program itself is only upskilling program, so we don't provide any jobs. But due to the pandemic, we all know that, most of the IT organizations have turned work from home model. And
Yes.
as we speak, we all work from home in these days, from at least from last March. So,
Mm.
so as long as your work is done and if your profile and the job description matches for a work from home kind of job, I think nothing should stop you. And industries have come forward to hire women on career break. So we have seen a lot of organizations coming forward to hire from this pool of candidates, Tara candidates, because they're already upskilled in the latest technology in the market. And it's easier for them to go ahead and hire these women because they are readily available as well. So the
Right.
trend is changing. Yeah. So the trend is changing, and we see a lot of women coming back to work these days.
Okay. So I have a few queries when we announced about this session. It says that how are the program levels categorized and how is the knowledge measured?
Okay, that's a wonderful question. The Tara program is categorized into three different levels. It's basic, intermediate, and advanced. So basic, we have kept in mind because women, one, they have taken break. They would be out of touch from the latest technology and from what they were working in the past. So the level one is VMware Certified Technical Associate in data center virtualization, which is the basic course which will give them the understanding of cloud computing and virtualization. And the level 2 is a little advanced or intermediate course, which gives them hands-on experience on installing, configuring, and managing the cloud computing based software vSphere, which is with VMware. And in level 3, once they complete level 2, in level 3, they can choose a specialization of cloud computing and automation or network virtualization or desktop virtualization or data center virtualization, one of these. And each of these level, as they complete, they get a free exam voucher. And once they finish the course within 30 days, so once they register for the course, they have a time period of 30 days where they can go ahead and complete these courses. And once they complete, they get an exam voucher to go ahead and give the exam as well. So that's how we measure the knowledge that they go ahead through the training. And it's a free one-time exam voucher that we provide. So, yeah.
Two things in between, Sita. One, what you are talking is quite technical because most of the moms may not understand. So, do you look for the candidates who are only from the field of IT, or it can be, it can be a part of anyone's life? Because not you will not get so many moms who are into IT. Maybe they have interest, but agar nahi unka experience hai, to is it open for them also?
Yes, it is open for anyone. So recently I had a candidate who was from a non-technical background, and she successfully completed the level 2. And I'll just give you an example because वो पहले banking sector पे थे, and she used to handle customer escalation for banking customers. She did this course after about 4 or 5 years of break. She, with all the hesitation, she took up the course because she wanted to come back and restart her work. And she did this course, and she got into an MNC. Now she's handling customers with cloud computing and virtualization technologies escalations. So it's just the perception that changes, but the underlying work that you do really remains same. And there are candidates who never really got to study IT when they were studying, when they were doing their degree, but they had that passion and determination to learn it. So with that degree, I think this course, if they can go ahead and finish it, it's sone pe suhaga. So they can just go ahead and complete the course and start their career in the IT field.
Okay. So now there are queries. They're asking what is the procedure to enroll and what is the duration of course?
Okay.
Before
so,
that, I want to ask. No,
yes,
before
please.
that, I already had, I told you 2 questions. So second is, see, you are not charging anything for the courses. So what makes VM Tara so, exclusive that people will come to you and you are giving them free courses? There must be something, we all have that thing back in our, back of our mind, like, what is that one thing goes in the mind कि कुछ charge नहीं कर रहे हैं पर हाँ हमें ऑफर कर रहे हैं फ्री कोर्सेज, तो वो VM तारा ऐसा एक इनिशिएटिव डेफिनेटली हम लोग अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, बट क्यों है और क्या उसका रीजन है?
Absolutely. So, जैसे कि आपने बोला, it is absolutely free, but it is only free for the community of women who are on a career break and not for everybody. So, if a customer or a partner or मेरे जैसे लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं who can afford these courses, it will cost us 3,200 plus US dollars if I am supposed to do this course from outside. But keeping in mind that, we have some responsibility as an organization for the community, VMware started this program so that we can give back something to the community and help build that ever-growing gender diversity gap in the country. So that is the reason why the program was started absolutely for free of cost. And these courses are our in-house VMware technical courses. And जो अपने पास है वो हम free में दे रहे हैं बस. So absolutely free of cost.
This is something you want all the women to come back and start working because there is no, assurance when we have job or we don't have, and definitely this is something good. Now coming back to the question I read earlier, what is the procedure and how do they enroll for this?
So VMware.com/Tara is the website. If you are an eligible candidate, you can just go ahead and key in your details. It will ask you to add your national ID proof so that we check that you meet the eligibility criteria, and to verify the gender neutral names. जैसे कि कृष्णा हो गया, कृष्णा तो मेल और फीमेल दोनों का नाम हो सकता है.
Yes.
But to verify all that, we ask you to fill in a certain form so that we go ahead and verify it. And from there, you can just start your learning journey. So once you enroll and register, you get a verification code. Verify ho chuka, so then you can go ahead and start your level 1. Once you complete level 1, your level 2 will be unlocked. Similarly, once you complete level 2, your level 3 will be unlocked. And we are not binding any women on any contract कि आपने VMware का कोर्स किया है, आपको सिर्फ VMware ज्वाइन करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So you can just go ahead and join any organization, any profile, any job that fits your profile. You can just go ahead and join that as well.
Okay. So there is one more question, that VMware provide placements after completion. Do you guys provide,
VMware,
or do you add for yourself? You keep your openings open?
The openings are, VMware is an equal opportunity employer. So if any candidate finds a suitable role with her previous experience and her new learnings, she can definitely go ahead and apply for the role. If she can crack the interview, she will definitely be given the offer. And these are all offline, self-paced courses which can be taken from the comfort of your home. You don't have to walk into any of the study center. And even the exams due to the pandemic has become online proctored. So Pearson Testing Center goes ahead and does the online proctored exam for you. So it's
I
all.
guess I was supposed to get one link from your team where these guys were supposed to register. So once the live is over, I'll ask them to share the link with me, and then I can add in the description, so they need not to go again to the website and search for the things. They can immediately click the link and register themselves.
Yeah.
One more thing.
So I put that in the chat window. Sorry, Shalu. I have put the link in the chat window. So if they want, they can just go ahead, and all the FAQs, whatever we are discussing now, are available on the website as well. Or they can also reach out to us on the email address given on the website. And yeah, I can help them answer.
I'll just pin the comment so that it makes easy for everyone.
Sure.
The question is coming again and again. I guess few moms have joined just now and they're asking what is the eligibility criteria, if you can share again.
Sure. So first thing, it is open only for women. Should be a citizen of India, should be residing within the jurisdiction of India, shouldn't be working in the last 6 months, and it is also open for graduates who have completed graduation and couldn't secure a job in the last 6 months.
Okay. And any thing you want to tell these moms who probably do not have a lot of time, because a job, a course, definitely once it's over and they get a job, demands a particular time, even if it is work from home. So do you suggest anything to these moms, how they can devote their timing for these jobs? I mean, I am not sure why I'm asking this, but this is one question they ask me as well.
Yeah.
So I think open for long hours, right?
Yeah. So I get these questions asked too. So that is the reason why we usually get a successful Tara candidate who is also a mom, and we can get to hear from her side as to how she dedicated her time in spite of all the other responsibilities and priorities at home. So our candidates usually dedicate about 2 to 3 hours in a day when the kid is asleep, sometime in the afternoon or late in the evening. And that's how they just go ahead and complete these courses. And again, I've seen moms who wake up till about 12 or 1 in the night and give their exams as well, because these are all available 24/7. Now, for a new person who is new to the technology, we have a 24/7 lab assistance team as well. So, keeping in mind that these women can log in anytime and ask for assistance anytime, we have a team who supports them if they get stuck anywhere.
So there are a few questions coming in the comments. A few moms have just asked I couldn't read the complete query, but importantly, they are asking, ma'am, if we do not have any knowledge from IT field, a raw face scan, be a part of this. I asked her this thing, but again, coming back to Sita, nowadays, moms who are already in the house packed because of the pandemic, because of the break, sabbatical, say whatever.
Yeah.
But IT is something, I guess, आप भी demand करते होंगे कुछ, requirements रहती होंगी, basic requirements रहती होंगी कि IT में है, interest तो है ही, passion भी है ही, आपने बता ही दिया. What are the other things? They need to be 12th pass, they need to be minimum graduate, or any stream you want. How can they go?
Any graduation is fine. Any graduation is fine. Any diploma holding is fine. तो उसके साथ अगर ये लोग upskill कर सकते हैं तो why not? You can just go ahead and use it.
Okay,
So
guys, this is open for everyone, and
Yeah.
as Sita is telling you, guys, website has all the details mentioned. This is open for the beginners as well. And please don't stop yourself if you really want to do something in your life and you really feel that अभी बहुत break ले चुके हैं और कुछ करना है life में. You really want to do some job. Join this, register yourself. I'll share the link once again once I get the registration link, or go on the website. It's mentioned by Sita. The comment is pinned. And I think I should be next talking to this, your candidate you're talking about. Her name is Kostova.
Kostuba, yeah. So Kostuba is our candidate. She has successfully cleared the program and she has been placed. She's also a mom. So it'll be better you hear her story from herself so that, you know, it's too good to be true. One, it is free and it's available for you to consume at your own time. All you have to do is, you know, all you mommies, stop negotiating with yourself. It's high time you come back. Kids are always a priority. Organizations do understand that family is always a priority. And that's the reason why organizations are extending their hands to take women on career break back again to work. So please leave your inhibitions behind and upskill yourself today, and all the best.
Yes, Rohini, you can go for it. Rohini is one of the member and she's asking LLB graduate can upskill. So I guess yes.
Yes.
You said it's open for everyone.
Yes.
Guys, the simple thing Sita said, if you really have that passion and you are interested to do something, please go ahead. Because घर पर बैठ के अगर आपको कुछ ऑफर हो रहा है, एक बात और सीता बताइए, आप कह रहे हैं कि there is an exam voucher after the completion of course, which is given once.
Yes.
How this voucher is used? The exam voucher you are saying, this is given once.
So yeah, so the exams usually are paid exams. So what they do is we give them a voucher code. So when they are going ahead and scheduling the slot for themselves, when they reach the payment page, they have to give the voucher code there and it bypasses the payment.
Okay.
So they don't have to pay for the exam as well.
Okay, so there is a zero investment when you log in on vmware.com/Tara. And joining for any course, you learn the courses, give exams, upskill yourself, upgrade, man, and go for these jobs. I mean, sky's the limit if really, you know, if moms really wants to do something. And another query, Sita.
Yeah, I saw that.
Who have recently lost their jobs, as in some 15 days back, are they eligible to?
Kanchan, it is minimum 6 months because we, you know, we know for the fact that anybody who loses the job within 6 months, it's easy for them to bounce back. But for somebody who has not been working for the last 6 months, the technology changes, the organizations, you know, the parameters changes, and that is the reason why we have kept that 6 months eligibility criteria. And yeah, so that is. School teacher, yes, definitely. We have a lot of teachers. We have dentists joining the course as well and completing the courses. So yeah, so it's all about your passion and interest and how you can grasp the concepts and complete the course.
There's one more comment if you can read, Jyoti. Sorry, Sita, there's from Jyoti Chawla.
I think it just went.
You want me to read it?
Yeah.
Just a second.
Okay. BCom graduate, I have worked with Genpact 5 years.
Yes.
Working as a teacher, can I be a part of it? Okay, Jyoti, if you are not working in the last 6 months, you can definitely be a part of the program. So if you're working as a teacher, if you are on a payroll of any school, unfortunately, no. But if you are a freelancer, you can definitely go ahead and still join the program.
Okay, so also there is one question. It says maximum how many years gap is accepted?
So we
Can
don't
you
have
tell?
any maximum upper limit. We have women who have a career break of 15 years, 16 years, 9 years, all successfully completing the program and joining workforce back again.
Yes. So guys, if you go on the website, I saw this on their website where mom has given a review, I guess. She has joined after 15 or 17 years, I'm so, and really happy with the everything happening in her life because she has
Yeah,
joined back, and resuming work is something makes everyone excited, and when it doesn't have
true.
any age barrier, it makes more exciting for life. Yes.
Absolutely. Absolutely. How to join the
Thank-
course? Go to vmware.com/Tara. You will have all the details. You have to just click on enroll or register and give in your details. You'll be a part of the program.
Yeah, guys, I repeat, we are talking to Sita Lakshmi, who is associated with VM Tara since past 10 years. And you can go on their website. The comment is pinned. That's vmware.com/Tara. Go check the courses. Any queries if you have, I guess they have the options to chat with the experts, or Sita is a part of our group now. So she'll be able to answer your queries after even the
Yeah,
live is over. I'll make
absolutely.
sure that it will allot her because we really want maximum moms to join this course.
Absolutely. Sure.
Yeah. So any
So,
query, I don't, yeah,
so
I don't see any
all
more
the
queries.
FAQs are
So
there.
you tell me. You tell
Sorry.
me, please.
So all the queries, all the FAQs are there. There is an email address to reach me as well. I'll put it in the comment section while we speak to Kostova, and people can get in touch with me on that email address.
Okay. So guys, we are taking another person in the live now. And as I guess, Sita has given a very good information and good insights about the pros and pros of joining this course. And let's talk with Kostova now because she is the one जिन्होंने सीता के साथ में सीता के अंडर में कोर्स किया है और उन्होंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है, जॉब लिया है. So उनसे सुनते हैं उनकी स्टोरी. Sita, you want to say some few words to our community members?
No, that's it. So please leave your inhibitions behind. Stop negotiating with yourself. It's high time you start upskilling yourself and join the workforce back again. Thank you.
Thanks,
Have a
thanks,
great
Sita,
day.
for joining.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bye
take
bye.
care. Bye bye. So, guys, this was Sita Lakshmi from VM Tara, and now I'm taking Kostava with me, who is the person will be giving you all the details about the course she has joined and how she has got the job. So, I guess she is watching us already, and I have invited her. So, actually, you can check all the courses online. Kostava, I'm trying to send you invitation. Hi, Kostava.
Hi, Shalu.
Go. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. So a warm welcome. I hope you saw your another previous company mate तारा.
Yeah,
PM तारा से आपकी सीता लक्ष्मी जी हमारे साथ थी और बहुत अच्छे insights मिले हमें. और congratulations for completing the course you have done.
Thank you, Shalu.
And congratulations for getting a job as well. आपका कैमरा थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दीजिए.
एक minute.
हाँ, perfect. Right.
Perfect.
थैंक यू. सो आप एक बार बताइए कौसुभा, आपने जब भी कोर्स ज्वाइन किया इसके पहले आपका कुछ करियर ब्रेक था, आपका एक लॉन्ग गैप था बिफोर यू
Yes,
जॉइन दिस
Shalu.
कोर्स?
I had a 1 year gap, more than 1 year, 2 months or
ओके.
3 months like that. So I never had a thought to come back. I had a childbirth, so I had to take a gap. So then after my brother and my husband, they told me to try to do something and come back into the field. So when I was just browsing in the Facebook, I came across the Tara ad. So I just thought, let me apply and let me see like how will it be. I had an idea like cloud is the future and all the technologies which VMware Tara is providing is one of the top growing technologies.
Yes.
So I thought, let me try my best and just give a try. So that is
Okay.
how my journey with Tara started.
All right. And how long the course is, the one you have completed?
There are 3 levels. Each level you'll be given 1 month to complete. So I
Acha.
started in last year March. So
Okay.
by March, 1 month I'll be completing level 1. So like that, level 2, level 3. But you can take a gap if you need. But
Acha,
you
you
won't
can.
feel like taking gap.
Acha.
Feel like
Okay.
completing it fast.
Acha, acha, acha. All right. And I want to ask you, I've actually written the question, so please bear with me.
No problem.
You said you were surfing and you landed up at VM /Tara website or the Facebook page, whatever.
Yes, yes.
So there were any doubts that the course you are doing, you will get the job or not, or who supported to you during all this time, apart from the family members, definitely. Are you from the IT background?
Yes, I was a system administrator. Previously, I had worked for 9 years,
That
IT
works.
background. But still, I had so many doubts. Doubts,
Okay.
I can tell you main reason why is all these courses are very costly. And if you try to browse outside, when you see the cost, you won't believe that they're going to give you free. So that was the main doubt
I
you'll have.
understand.
When
Yeah.
the same thing you asked, Sita, like when you're giving something for free, we'll get something in the back, right? I had all those
Right.
doubts. So I was a candidate attending like the sessions 1 year back. So now I'm a candidate giving session. That is the difference. So that is the
Right. That's a
difference that has
difference.
done to
Yeah.
me. So I was
Hmm.
attending. I had so many doubts, attended so many sessions, heard from so many candidates like how they manage time and how this Tara affected them, like what all it taught and all. And I took the tips from them. So after attending sessions, I got a belief that yes, this is genuinely true, and it will really help me also.
Okay, so for our community members, though I know the answer, but for our community members, I want to ask you, did you spend any money on it? There was any
No,
investment from your side?
it's purely free, purely free. All the 3 levels. Only investment will be our time and dedication towards
Uh,
it. That's it.
okay, that one has to do definitely. So
That is
how
the
did you
most
manage
important.
the time and finish the course? Because I guess you have a good
Yes, yes.
family
I have a
around
kid.
you, and you
I
definitely
have
have
a
to
kid.
do all these things.
No, actually, I divided it, Shalu. What I did was I divided the work. Like first level, I thought to complete it within 1 month, right? So first 15 days, you won't understand a bit when you start. When you're in a gap and when you be having
Yeah.
such a lot of things going on, you won't be in a
Hmm.
mood to understand what is going on. So first, I started just going through the videos, understanding the points or whatever is it. Just like normal how we see movie कैसे देखते हैं ना, इस तरफ all videos देखने लगा. After after I saw it once, then I understood a few concepts when I was replaying the videos. And the videos are very good, clearly explained. Like first time when you see, they'll be blank in your mind. Then when you start seeing it, concentrating on it, and then you'll start getting the concepts very well. So that's how I used to divide the time, like in the morning after breakfast 1 hour, afternoon when my kid sleeps 1 hour, night after
Yeah.
she sleeps 1 or 2 hours. So I used to divide it and I used to complete it.
So anytime you feel like giving up in between and you're tired of this and don't want to do it, anytime you felt like that?
Nothing like that. But in third level, it was a little bit tough. It looked easy, but there were a lot of concepts for me. So I felt a little bit tough, and then there were a lot to go through in it, the labs and all. But then I was like, I've come so far, I should not quit. I should
Yeah.
complete it, and I should do it. It's like it's a journey, right? You'll be meeting so many people and all in between.
Right.
There's a community also in Tara, like you can talk to them and all. When you hear other stories, you feel inspired. No, I should not stop here. I should do something. I should try more and try to
Yes.
complete it.
So
That's how
motivating stories keep you going. That it is important
true.
to keep going and not stop. So how was the support from VM Tara team to you all this
Like
duration when you were doing
Sita
course?
mentioned you, Shalu, I was also stuck in the labs. 2 to 3 times I was stuck in the labs. Like you have all the instructions clearly, everything given. But sometimes,
Okay.
even though if you're following, there'll be some mistakes in the labs. So you won't
Acha.
be knowing where you're stuck. So at that time, there
Okay.
is a help desk there. If you just ping them and if you just tell them like where are you stuck, they help us very easily. And those labs are also considered to be completed with the course. So the course consists of labs as well as the theory. So you have to complete the theory, labs, then only it will be like a completed course. Then you'll get a voucher.
And you cleared your exams with your flying colors, with the
Yeah.
same passion.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
were happy with the results and you are a happy place right now.
Yeah, yeah. I
You're happy
completed
getting
it
your
in
place.
June. So by October, I got a job.
Okay, so you're
Last
happy with
year,
the job right now. And this was placed
yes.
through Tara only?
No. Tara doesn't place Shalu.
Okay.
They just give us the courses. You have to
Okay.
apply in the Naukri. Like, see, after each level, you'll be given a badge and you'll be given a
Huh.
certificate. You can
Hmm.
add it into your LinkedIn account, or you can add it into
Okay.
your resume, put it into Naukri,
Yeah.
update your resume. Try giving
Hmm.
calls. That gives you boost.
Hmm.
See, when someone is sitting in the home for 1 year and not getting any
Yeah.
calls, and once
Yeah.
I started putting my badges and certifications, I started getting calls. That
Hmm.
boosted me to complete the level 3 also. Like for level 2
Right.
only, if I'm getting calls, it'll give
Hmm.
an inspiration. Like if I complete level 3, then there will be use of it. So that is how I didn't stop there.
So tell me one thing. When you started this course, you said you started with basic, right? So this is a 1 month course, is it?
Yes, every see, like level 1, level 2, level 3, each one they are giving 1 month to complete each course. So within
Acha.
1 month,
Okay.
you will have to complete the labs, theory
Okay.
also, and as
Okay.
well as there'll be like quizzes also. See, like it's not like you will read and forget. They'll make you
Hmm.
remember. After
Acha.
1 or 2 lessons, you'll be having quizzes. So you will have to
Okay.
go through the course properly, then to complete it. It's not
Ah.
counted for the completion, but all those should be completed for the course to be in a
But
100% completed
is
state.
it necessary to get a job? One should be completing all these three courses, or with just one course, if they want to go with, they can just complete one course
That's
and
the
just.
personal choice. Shali, that is personal
Acha.
choice. See, like
Acha.
level 1 and level 2 is common for all the fields. See, level 3,
Okay.
you have 4 options. So
Hmm.
level 1, level 2, it's common. Everyone can do it. So
Okay.
level 3, you'll have options there. Like you can
All
choose,
right.
or
All
if
right.
you get placed, or if you're happy with the level 2, it's fine and
Hmm.
good.
Okay. With the all this study around you, and you have a child also, you have a full family also, how did you manage to take out that time? Did you use your night time and sacrifice your sleep for these learnings? Because you say the courses are interesting, but definitely you have to put your sweat and heart into it to pass that.
Yes, true.
So what do you want to say
True.
to our community members for that?
See, everyone will be in some other situation. That's the reason they would have quit their jobs. Maybe willingly or not willingly, they would have quit it. So when somebody is giving you a chance, like when someone is telling we'll upskill you and you'll be getting the very good
That too for
emerging
free.
technologies for free, and it's
Hmm.
worth a try. Worth a try. That why
Right.
I'm telling this is because of my personal experience. Like 1 year
Hmm.
back, a person listening to these videos. After 1 year,
Yeah.
I am the person giving these videos. Exactly in the
Yeah.
March, I no, in the June, I completed all level 3,
Hmm.
all the levels. So
Okay.
not even June. Within 1 year, I'm a person giving a thing. If I'm not
Right.
benefited, I won't be joining a session and telling others,
Right.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
So it will be tough. You will have to either sacrifice sleep. See, I am a
It
night owl.
worked in your
I read
favor.
at night.
Yeah.
I read
Acha.
very. I sit and read at
You're
night.
an avid reader.
So
You learn. You like reading a lot.
I like reading
Okay.
lot at nights because it will be calm and no disturbance. Kids will be sleeping, all work done, no planning for tomorrow. Like if it is in the morning, breakfast, dinner, lunch, सभी करना वो plan करना वो सभी होता है वो
Right.
नहीं होता है ना night में. So I used to
Right.
read at
Right.
night. In the mornings, I used to make my kid also sit. I used to tell her complete this work. I'll also read.
Hmm.
You also sit and read. So I used to make
Hmm.
her also read. So that's how because I
That's
started in
wonderful.
the pandemic
You
time.
actually. You. That's really
Exactly.
wonderful. You a year ago you said you were something else. Now you're talking to us, telling people that do join this course because it is free. Also, it is giving a lot of inspiration, benefit, and a support to the family who really wants to go back to the job.
True.
That's commendable. So, Pasuma, good job you have done. You have completed the
Thank you,
course
Shalini.
and placed at a good place. Really hope that you do well. And I really hope the community members who saw this live today would click this link which we have pinned in the comment, and we'll try these courses. Thanks for joining in today.
Thank you, Shalini.
Thanks, Pasuma. So, guys, yes, the link I have given. We spoke to Sita and we spoke to Pasuma. All I want to tell you is that please go on the link. I'm not sure if you are able to complete the course, or what's your passion, what's your interest. It all depends how you want to go with it. So if you think you can do it, Go on the link, register yourself, get the jobs, and make it count for yourself. Like Sita said, stop negotiating and go ahead with lots of dreams and you know the plans you already had in mind. I would really appreciate people to join this course. I have no personal benefit in it, but yes, if maximum moms are joining in and getting some good jobs, that's one thing I would really like. Less sound, volume is very low, cannot hear me. I am not sure why. So, guys, I think I'll be ending this session. We have, okay, a lot of people are saying that they cannot hear me. Guys, I'm finishing the session and see you next time around with something interesting very soon. Till then, take care.